So, welcome to Anteena and Wave Propagation playlist. This is Balaji Tripathi. In continuation of the previous lecture, now in this lecture I am going to give some example on antenna radiation efficiency. In the last lecture, as we have defined what is antenna radiation efficiency. Now in this lecture, we will see some of the example which will come in the paper and how to solve this kind of example. So in this session, we will deal with example on antenna radiation efficiency. So suppose the question is like that: the antenna supplied with a power of 10 watt. Calculate the power radiated when the efficiency of antenna is 90%. So this type of question basically comes in the paper. So it is very simple to solve this kind of question. See, input power is given as P in is given as 10 watt and efficiency is given as 90%. So when we write its magnitude, it will be 0.9. So we know that radiated efficiency equal to P radiated upon P in, that we have derived in the previous session. So from this P radiated, we can calculate the radiated power, that will be efficiency into P in. So from that, P radiated power will be calculated and it will be 0.9 into 10, that is 9 watt. So these are pretty simple problem which will come in the paper. So this is one example. Now I'm going to solve another problem which can come, and this kind of questions comes for 2 marks or 3 marks. So second question is, if the radiated resistance of an antenna is 80 ohm and loss resistance is 10 ohm, calculate antenna radiation efficiency. So in this question, radiated power is given and input power is loss. Radiated resistance of antenna is given, loss resistance is given, and antenna radiation efficiency is asking. So we have derived this formula also in the previous lecture. So first we will write what are the terms which are given. So radiated resistance is 80 ohm, loss resistance is 10 ohm. So efficiency will be radiated resistance upon radiated resistance plus loss resistance. So that will be equal to 80 upon 80 plus 10, and that will be equal to 80 by 90. So by its magnitude we will calculate it 0.88, and when we will calculate in the terms of percentage, it will be 88.88. 88.88%. So these are a simple problem which they are basically asking how to calculate the efficiency when the input power is given and they are asking about the radiated power, or if the question will come like that radiated resistance is given and they are asking about the efficiency. So we'll just put the given data into the formula and we will find it very easily. Thank you.